I'm Jeff Tryon. I'm the sales manager here at Novo Precision. Here at Novo, we make, custom cutting quills specific to the diameter size of the material. So with that, you have a traveling quill and a stationary quill. So with the stability, there's always the material being supported on both ends, which gives you, a really nice finish. With some of our cut tolerances down to 2/1000ths of an inch, even on that, kind of 4/1000ths OD material up to 0.375 or so. In some cases, we do larger materials, just really dependent on the application. With Quill-on-Quill cutting, it is also very repeatable. Very tight tolerances. We can do large batch quantities. We're talking hundreds of thousands, millions in cases, all dependent on industry, application, what your product needs really are. And in most cases, it gives you a very, very clean cut and with very minimal burr. This is excellent for small materials, as mentioned, down to 4/1000ths of an inch. Some smaller, we do precious metals, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, so various capabilities here in-house. So we use different media for our cutting quills. Our tooling here is specific in-house, whether it's a Rex, M4, carbide, you name it, we get pretty creative based on the material itself. One of the biggest advantages is reduced scrap, right? So no waste material opposed to traditional methods. So the Quill-on-Quill, it's essentially a clean break, right? So it really reduces the scrap rate, especially dealing with precise small materials. We're talking precious metals, stainless steels. So that's one of the key advantages. Here at Novo, we're always challenging ourselves to improve. So if you have interesting requirements, special problems, if you send us all your information, we're happy to help wherever we can.